If you want to create a presentation fast without starting from a blank slide deck, Gamma app is one of the easiest tools to use. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a PPT in Gamma app step by step so you can turn a simple topic into a clean, professional-looking presentation in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app. Once the website loads, sign into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one first, but the process is quick and easy. After you sign in, you'll land on your Gamma dashboard, where you can start a new project. Now look for the Create New button and click it. This is where Gamma gives you different options for the type of content you want to make. Since we're creating a PowerPoint-style presentation, select Presentation from the available options. This tells Gamma that you want a slide-based format instead of a document or web page style layout. Next, Gamma will ask you to enter the topic for your presentation. This is the main subject you want the PPT to be about. You can type in something broad like digital marketing, artificial intelligence, or social media strategy, or something more specific depending on your project. The more clear your topic is, the better the initial structure Gamma can generate for you. After entering your topic, Gamma will automatically create an outline for your presentation. This is one of the most useful parts of the process because instead of building every slide manually, Gamma gives you a ready-made flow of ideas. Take a moment to review the outline carefully. Check whether the sections make sense, whether the order feels natural, and whether the presentation covers the points you actually want to include. If something looks off, you can adjust it before generating the final presentation. This step is important because it helps you shape the direction of the slides before the design is applied. Once the outline looks good, move on to the next step and choose a design theme. Gamma gives you different styles and visual themes, so you can pick one that fits your topic and your audience. For example, if you're making a business presentation, you may want a clean and modern theme. If your presentation is for education or content creation, you might choose something more creative and colorful. The theme affects the overall look, spacing, and visual feel of the presentation, so choose one that matches the tone you want. After selecting your design theme, click Generate. Gamma 1 will now build your presentation automatically based on the topic, outline, and theme you selected. Depending on the length and complexity of your topic, this may take a few moments. Once it's done, Gamma will create your PPT-style presentation inside the app, ready for you to review. Now comes the final step, editing and polishing your presentation. Even though Gamma does a lot of the work for you, it's always a good idea to go through each slide and make small changes if needed. You can edit the text, rewrite any section that needs improvement, and replace images or visuals if something doesn't fit your message. This is where you make the presentation feel more personal and more accurate for your audience. You can also tweak the layout, shorten long text, or add extra points if you want to make the slides stronger. A quick review at this stage can make a big difference in how professional the final presentation looks. Once you're happy with everything, your PPT is ready to present, download, or share. So that's how to create a PPT in Gamma app from start to finish. Just open Gamma, create a new presentation, enter your topic, review the outline, choose a theme, generate the slides, and then make any final edits you need. It's a simple workflow that can save you a lot of time compared to building slides manually. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.